10 years ago, Edward Snowden opened the Prison Gate, revealing that the US government had long secretly monitored the world in the name of fighting terrorism. Allies, enemies, and even its own citizens were within the scope of surveillance. Technology has become a tool to violate human rights. Such hegemonic practices shocked the world and depleted trust. As Edward Snowden stood up to expose the truth, people around the world began to protest, demanding respect for privacy and human rights. There was also reflection within America. The boundary of surveillance and human rights protection were under intensive debate. Despite all the protests and all the reflection, do you think things will ever change? 10 years into the exposure of Prison Gate, the Pentagon leak by Jack Teixeira proves that nothing has changed for the US government, and for the nature of US surveillance empire.